back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you factory reset your Raycon Everyday earbud. So here's a guide for your pairing, one side not working, and fix for your charging. Method 1. Reset using the charging case for newer models. Step 1. Place both earbuds in the charging case. Step 2. On your phone or computer, forget or remove the earbud from the Bluetooth settings. Step 3. Keep the charging case open. Step 4. Press and hold the reset button on the charging case, which is located near the charging port, for 5 seconds. Step 5. Release the button when the case LED flashes yellow 3 times. Step 6. Close the charging case to complete the reset. Step 7. Open the case, remove the earbuds and pair them with your device again. Method 2. If your model doesn't have a reset button, follow the below steps. Step 1. Remove the earbuds from your device Bluetooth list. Step 2. Turn off the earbuds. Step 3. Press and hold the touch or buttons on both earbuds for about 30 seconds to reset them. Step 4. Place the earbuds back in the charging case. Step 5. Remove them again and reconnect them through your device Bluetooth settings. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.